Vande Mataram dear students, I Vishal sir from Gyan Manjari Vidyapeeth welcomes you all, and today I am going to teach you model auxiliaries. So students, in your daily conversations you will be using words like would, will, can, could or many other. So let's know what are they and how they are model auxiliaries. So let's know about what are models or model auxiliaries or modal verb. In many books you will get many kind of example or definition, but in if I will say in my words the model are, then I will introduce modal verbs or modal auxiliaries like that. Modal verbs are a kind of auxiliary verb. They facilitate the main verb for suggesting potential, expectation, permission, ability, possibility or obligation. Okay, so once again let's revise definition. Modal verbs or auxiliary verb, they are same. They facilitate the main verb for suggesting potential, expectation, permission, ability, possibility and obligation. Okay, so let's read about a few kinds of models and what are their uses. Let's know. First we will read about can. Can is used to express possibility, ability, permission, suggestion. If you will talk about possibility, then you can say the weather has been quite bad. There can be a storm any minute. Ability, for ability you can use she can speak 5 Indian and 3 foreign languages fluently, means she is able to speak 5 languages. Okay. Permission, if you will take permission from your parents or in school from your teachers, then you will use can or may. The can or may are related to permission and they are models. Okay. Suggestion, for suggestion you will use, if you are not able to solve this sum you can take Rina's help. Mean suggestion, there is suggestion that if you are unable to solve this sum you can take the Rina's help, but can is there, the can is a model. Okay, so for the same could and will be used for past, like possibility, past possibilities. Could this medicine give me any side effect? Or ability, we could not reach the airport in time for the flight because he was unable, so they expressed their problems that they were unable to reach at the airport for the flight. Permission, could I please borrow your phone for a second? That is permission. Let's know about will. Will be used for resolve. I will never go there again. Okay. Would for future action or future possibility. She said that she would take me to the dentist on Friday. Or future possibility, if they realized they are being followed, they would go into hiding. Same will be used shall for future action or resolve. Okay, we shall allow his anger to subside and then approach him again. Or to resolve, I shall exercise every day starting from tomorrow. Should is used to advise or for any future ability, future possibility. You should study for your next test. There is a advice. But in second example, should there be a rain tomorrow, we will have practice indoors. That is future possibility. May is used to express possibility. For example, if you use very long sentences, the children may get confused. There is a possibility. Means if someone will use long sentence, then children may get confused. While for formal permission, may I come in, ma'am? That you have used and you use in your school. Might is used for possibility but in past. Don't push people, someone might fall over. Okay, means if you will push people, someone can fall. Suggestion, if you have sensitive teeth, you might consider using a special toothpaste. Okay, so there is a suggestion. Let's know about must, means where we can use must. Must is to express necessity, means if something is very urgent then you have to use must in your sentence. Okay, this is a very important meeting and you must be on time. Means here someone is saying to any other person that this is very important meeting and you must be on time. There is a necessity to reach on the time. It is he was being suggested by his owner or his boss that he should reach on time. He must have to be on time. Here we learned how to use models in simple sentences, but now we are going to learn about models in reported speech. Means how can we use models in reported speech. The models can, will, shall and may in direct speech change to can will be changed to could, will be changed into would and may will change into might, while shall will change into should. Means if you will have studied direct and indirect narration, then you can understand this very well. In if can will be used in direct speech, then you will have to use could in indirect speech. Okay, will if you will use will in direct speech, then you will have to use would in indirect speech. In same, shall and may will be used in direct speech, while should and might will be used in indirect speech. So that is reported speech. Tell the students that they can use the library. The teacher said to me. The teacher asked me, because that was in direct speech. First sentence was in direct speech. Now we converted it into indirect. So the teacher asked me to tell the student that they could. There was can, but here it is being could. They could use the library. Okay. I will never allow them to set food in my house, said my father. My father said that he would. There is will, but here is would. He will, I will, or now here is he would never allow them to set food in his house, because there is difference of speeches. That was in direct speech, where we use will, and there we use would. So it was in indirect speech. So students, I hope you have understood it very well. But if you have any query, any doubt, any question regarding this video, you can ask to me in comment box of our school YouTube channel. Till that, take care, always wear face mask, keep washing your hands. Bye bye.